how to create a Skrill account. So if you want to create a Skrill account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Skrill, and in the first search you will have www.skrill.com. click on that, and now to create an account, go to the upper right corner which says register. And now to create, first you have to enter your first and last name, and then you have to enter your country and your currency, and then you have to enter your email on the next, and on the last step you have to enter a password or create a password. So let's enter these information. And now after entering the information, click here so that if you want to get some offers, then you will get offers through Skrill. But if you don't want the offers, you can simply unclick on this, and after that you can click on register. And now you have to verify your email address. So what you have to do is go to your mail, and now you will get this mail to confirm your email. So click on that, and now you have verified. So to log in, you can simply enter your password here, and then you can go to login. And that's it. That's how you create an account on Skrill. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.